Today our topic is Newton's first law of motion. You know the definition of the Newton's first law of motion, that is, if an object is at rest then it will try to remain at rest, and if an object is moving in continuous motion in a straight line then it will try to move in continuous motion in straight line until an external force is applied on the object. See here, it states that an object will continue to remain into state of rest or in uniform motion along a straight line or path unless an external force acts on it. Thus, this means all objects resist in changing their state. Means objects try to remain in their state. They resist to change their state. The state of any object can be changed by applying external force only on it. Means the tendency of the object that to remain in its position can be changed by applying the external force. Some examples are: a person standing in a bus falls backward when the bus is started to move suddenly. There is a bus in which a person is standing. As soon as the bus starts to move, the person falls in backward direction. See if this is the person standing in the bus. As the bus starts to move, the lower portion of the person also starts to move in the direction of bus along with the bus. But this upper portion still wants to be in its position of rest. That's why the person falls in backward direction. As this pen falls in backward direction, see, its lower portion starts to move, but the upper portion still wants to remain in the same direction. That in the same way, when a person standing in a bus falls backward direction when the bus is started moving suddenly, it happens because at first both person and bus are at rest, but then suddenly bus starts to move. Then the lower part of the person that is in contact with